Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdurrahim Chimthanawala from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today I'll discuss a very interesting, a very infrequently used remedy. First मैं केस के बारे में बताऊंगा. I'll just tell you the case and then we'll understand the remedy also through a case. The remedy which I'm talking about is zingiber. Yes, you heard it right, zingiber. I had this patient, he was suffering from severe occipital headache. The doctor had diagnosed vascular headache. He was taking a lot of medicines, and till he took medicines, it was better, but again, it was coming back and back. So, severe pain in the occiput, especially on the sides, especially says, I cannot sit in the warm room. But he also said that I cannot sit in a room which has AC also. And he said, in fact, if the room is air conditioned, if the temperature is very low, I feel very uneasy. Sometimes I faint also and go to sleep. मतलब मुझे बहुत अटपटा लगता है, the wordings of the patient. So he had both the complaints. I asked something about the nature of the patient, and he said that I am a businessman, not so great, बहुत इतना अच्छा businessman नहीं हूँ, but कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. And he was a very learned man, a very learned man. He had done his master's degree, MA degree outside the country, and he had a very good profile, resume, but he could not succeed in life. He was a very aspiring personality, aspiring person. He wanted to be the best businessman in whatever he did. And he had a very interesting fear, a strange fear which the patient kept on telling me time and again, that I feel that something will happen at home before I reach home. And he said this fear developed when I was studying outside India, and I used to call my father, mother, how are they? And from there he felt the migraine had started. But he said that because I could not do anything in life, what I expected in life to do, I could not do anything in life. मैं कर नहीं पाया, मैंने मेहनत बहुत किया, कर रहा हूँ डॉक्टर साहब, आई एम डूइंग इट, बट नॉट एट आई वांटेड. I had aspired a lot in life, and the migraine, the headache was continuous. And he said that I am surprised at how did I get a migraine, because I'm a very finicky person. In fact, if I go outside, I always drink water which is bottled water. I do not take anything from outside. In fact, he said that जब भी मैं कुछ बाहर का पीता हूँ, बाहर का शरबत पी लिया, पानी पी लिया, तो मेरा तकलीफ बढ़ जाती है, पेट खराब हो जाता है, कभी कभी सर दर्द हो जाता है. And I prescribed few remedies, it did not work. Of course, he had other symptoms also, that headache was better by pressure, headache was better by lying in the dark, all normal symptoms of migraine. So when I was studying, looking at Mater Medica, I had to this symptom of feeling that something will happen at home before he got. And this symptom, my dear friends, is a very interesting and a very strange, a very peculiar symptom in zingiber. It is written in zingiber that fear something will happen before he goes home or before he reaches home. Such a fantastic symptom. This is the beauty of our Mater Medica. Everything what the patient says is written word to word in the Mater Medica. It is just we have not read our Mater Medica. We have considered zingiber maybe as an acute remedy or a specific remedy for something, and that's why we have not understood the remedy. This is exactly written in zingiber. If you open the head symptoms of zingiber also, it is written pain in the occipits and sides, aggravation by warmth. But a very interesting symptom, which I found in zingiber, what the patient told was also very surprising. The patient told that whenever there is chill, the temperature is low of the AC, he sometimes faced atpata लगता है. If you go and see the symptoms of zingiber, it is written faintness generally with chilliness. जब बहुत ठंडा हो जाता है, मुझे faint सा मन लगता है, अटपटा सा मन लगता है. This is the beauty of our Mater Medica. And one thing more, what was he desiring in life? To be a best businessman in whatever he did. The same dreams the patient suffers from is zingiber. Dreams aspiring, my dear friends. Dreams aspiring. Aspiring का मतलब क्या होता है? The patient is ambitious towards becoming something specified. मतलब ये मुझे बनना है. Aspiring dreams is also zingiber. So बहुत बार होता है ना, हमको लगता है कि भाई इसको पेशेंट को डज नॉट लाइक दी heat also and chill also, ampithermal. Then we have remedies like pulsatile off and on. I also prescribe this type of remedies, did not work. Zingiber cured the case. Zingiber 200 I gave once in 15 days, then once a month, and 3 months the patient was cured with zingiber. I have few cases of zingiber, same conditions which I have seen. That is very important, my dear friends, to understand the remedy. That's why whenever I am speaking, it is only clinical what I have seen in my practice. एज आई वॉज स्टडिंग, मैं जिंजिबर पढ़ रहा था, इसमें कुछ सिम्टम मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगे. ड्रीम्स प्लेजेंट इन द इवनिंग, और एक सिम्टम है उसमें कि ड्रीम्स समर सॉल्ट्स ऑफ थ्रोइंग एट एन ओल्ड मैन. वॉट इज ओल्ड मैन? यू कैन टेक दैट जो आदमी फाइट नहीं कर सकता, ओल्ड है अभी, द लायन इज बिकम ओल्ड, सो ही कैन नॉट बी सो मच एक्टिव, and you are trying to show that you are something in life. somersault मतलब मजा करना है, जॉय करना, somersault करना है, and that is also zingiber officinalis. ये सब सिम्टम अगर आप देखेंगे ना तो zingiber बहुत अच्छा एक रेमेडी बनता है if this condition the patient is suffering from. My dear friends, this is zingiber for you, clinical what I have seen in my practice. I hope you are able to understand zingiber and prescribe zingiber, and if you do get results, do tell us so that we know that this symptom is very important for zingiber prescribing. My dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.